A 10Xer is an individual, a person who just has it. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if I was tasked with writing a definition in one sentence of a 10Xer, it'd be very difficult because they have intangibles. They have the ability to lead other people. They're good delegators. They're good decision makers, and they have a sense of urgency. Like those are the attributes of a 10Xer. And when you get them in a business, let's say you have a business with 10 people in that business. There's going to be a power law among those people and how much value they add to your company. The bottom, and in corporate America, it's even more exaggerated. I would argue that 20 or 30% of the people who work in corporate America actually take more value from the business in their paycheck than they add to the company. Just naturally. They're just kind of in seats doing jobs and half-assing it, frankly. Then there's the people on the other side who they do the work. One person adds 50 times more value to the company than they get paid because they're making really good decisions. They're doing really good strategy. They're leading other people. They're making other people good at their jobs. And I've always said there's two ways to make a lot of money. One is to be really good at your job, and you can make great money by being very good at your job. You can make 10x the money, and you can make phenomenal money at a company if you help other people become good at their jobs. Meaning it's not just you. Your leverage and the power of you can be imprinted on other people, and you can make them better. Those are 10Xers. So my goal right now in life is to surround myself with as many 10Xers as possible. I don't know who's a 10Xer. I will find out who's a 10Xer. You can tell sometimes in 2 months. You can't tell sometimes for 2 years. But if I can get a lot of those people into my business and into my ecosystem and turn them loose and let them produce and let them do what they do best, they'll make a lot of money and I'll make a lot of money and we'll live happily ever after.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation. And it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.